When applying the wire, be sure it makes contact with the trunk or branch. To do this, one hand holds the wire in place while the other wraps the wire. Loop the wire around the trunk or branch, trying to maintain an even 45 to 55 degree angle between each pass. The wire shouldn't be pulled tight, just resting on the surface. A few gaps are okay as long as the majority of the wire is making good contact. The trunk or branch should not be used for any leverage. All of the work and pressure should be done with your hand supporting the wire while making every attempt to not damage the bark while applying the wire. When one full loop is finished, the support hand moves to the new coil like this. Complete loop, hand moves up. Complete loop, hand moves up, and so on. The degree of angle of the wire will assist with maintaining the energy of the bend you apply, and because there is that spread of an even 45 to 55 degrees between each coil, the wire will also spread the energy needed to hold it in place over a wide area.